Frustrated by WordPress blocking certain file uploads like SVG, exe, or XML? By default, WordPress restricts many file types for security reasons. But now, you're in control. Introducing Upload Any MIME Types, the easiest way to enable any unsupported file uploads with just a few clicks. Navigate to WordPress dashboard, plugins, add new, search Upload Any MIME Types, install and activate the plugin. Head over to Plugin Settings. Search for the file type you need. Toggle it on, and boom! Need something even more specific? Add your own custom MIME types and expand the possibilities. You can now upload WordPress restricted file types directly from your media library, pages, or posts. Whether it's design files, applications, ebooks, or maps, upload them all without any restrictions. Install Upload Any MIME Types today and say goodbye to upload restrictions.